Namaskaram friends. Today it's a special day. I'm going to cover 50th Divya Desam. Very good milestone. Thanks for everyone who are listening to this. Thanks for watching. Today's Divya Desam name, 50th Divya Desam name is Tiruvuragam. I would have mentioned about this place when I was talking about Tiruneeragam Divya Desam. There were 4 shrines housed within one temple called Ulagalanda Perumal Temple in Kanchipuram. So one of the 4 shrines is Tiruvuragam, the main shrine. The other shrines are Tiruneeragam, which I covered already, Tirukaragam, Tirukarvanam. These are the other 3 shrines. Let's see about Tiruvuragam. The Perumal here gives darshan as Uragattan or Ulagalanda Perumal. We know the story about Tiruvikramavataram. I would have mentioned or talked about the Tiruvikramavataram in several Divya Desams. But I would like to reiterate today also. The reason is there is additional information that I read about Tiruvikramavataram. We know Mahabali Chakravarti, who is Asura king, who comes from the Prahaladan dynasty. He is a grandson of Prahaladan. We know Prahaladan is such a devotee for Lord Vishnu. Mahabali too is a very good devotee for Lord Vishnu. But he was too greedy. He wants to own the Swargalokam also, which Indiran says it belongs to him. So Lord Vishnu wants to teach lesson for both Mahabali king as well as Indiran. And he comes as a Vamana Avataram. Vamana means the Dhyaf Brahmin Avataram, as a very simple Brahmin. Dhyaf already, not even normal person's height. So when he asked Mahabali to give him 3 feet of land, by seeing his height, Mahabali thought that it's not a big deal and he agreed immediately. But Chukracharya, Asura's guru, he analyzed that it is something plot planned by Vishnu, and so he tried to block the donation through water. And but Vishnu, using darbam, grass, he would have punched his eyes, and Chukracharya lost his eyes, one of his eyes. And so Chukracharya left that place, and Mahabali, when he was about to give the land, Vamana Avataram, he took the Tiruvikrama Avatar. He grew up to such a height that he touched the sky, and he measured 1 feet of land with his feet on the earth, and the other feet he measured the entire Swargalokam. So Indiran too learned the lesson, and he asked Mahabali Chakravarti where to place his 3rd feet. Then Mahabali realized that how greedy he was, and he surrendered himself to Lord Narayana, asking him to place his foot, Tiruvadi, on his head. That's why whenever we see Tiruvikrama Avataram, we can note Mahabali Chakravarti, one of his feet. So that's the same darshan we can get here. But Mahabali requested Lord Vishnu that for him only he took the avatar. But he was not able to view that Tiruvikrama Avataram, because he would have pressed Mahabali's head into the netherland, Padalam. So he never saw Tiruvikrama Avataram. So he requested to give him a darshan such that he can see Lord Vishnu. So that's when Lord Vishnu took the Adisesha Avataram in this temple, Ulagalanda Perumal temple. In the left side of the main shrine, we can see this Adiseshan Avataram of Lord Vishnu, which he took just for Mahabali Chakravarti. So that is called Uragam. Uragam means snake, right? Sesham. So since he took the guise of Uragam, snake darshan, he gets the name Thiru Uragam, Uragathan. That's a beautiful history about Thiru Uragam Divya Desam, correct? Nachiyar name is Amudavalli Thayar and Arnavalli Thayar. Naga Pushkarni is the Pushkarni's name. So when you see this temple, the actual innermost darshan of Lord Vishnu, he would have raised the left leg towards the sky, and the image was done so well that Panchakacham we say, the Veshti in Tamil we say, the dress, it is also carved out of the rock in such a way that the dress of Lord Vishnu is also sculptured, carved in a beautiful way, which we can see that stretched from one leg to the other leg. So that's a beautiful darshan we will get. We can also note Mahabali, and when you are taking the circulation of the temple, so you can note the other three Divya Desams. One is Thiru Neeragam, and this temple Thiru Uragam, which is in the left side. So that's about 50th Divya Desam. I'll meet you all tomorrow talking about 51. Thanks for watching, friends. Please give your comments and recommend your friends to watch it, as it is very good to know about the Divya Desams. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.